हेलो। ध्यानी चालीसा एपिसोड नंबर 2 में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग कौन सा टॉपिक डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं?
Success.
ओके, सो व्हाट्स द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ सक्सेस फॉर यू? सक्सेस क्या है?
For me, success is if we are doing something which we want to do and we feel satisfied in doing that thing, whatever it may be dancing, painting, singing, or whatever job.
But the meaning of success which is prevalent in this world is how much money you are making. So what's your thought about this?
Money is just one form of Ashtalakshmi. It is not whole and soul. Money is important for our life and we can't neglect it, but we can't follow we can't follow any kind of route to get that money. We are so much able that we can earn money by good deeds and by satisfaction, and we have to be satisfied that what we are doing, it gives us purpose, value addition in our life.
Yeah, but in today's world, everybody is just thinking that if you are making a lump sum money, if you are making high money, your bank balance is full, then you are successful. And if you are not making that much of money, then you are a big failure. You deserve nothing. You are just a dumb. So, what's your thought about this?
uh, According to my experience and according to my experience in especially spirituality, I think सक्सेस की जो डेफिनेशन आपने बताई है, दैट इज द बिलीव दैट हाईजैक्ड सेल्फ वर्थ. आई वॉन्ट टू से दैट this is not the success that how much we are earning, how much a person earning is, it doesn't matter to its self-worth. Self-worth is something like what is adding value to your life, to your day-to-day life, to your sole purpose. We are
Yeah,
not here to just do things like a robot. 9 to
yes,
5 job is like a robotic jobs.
yeah.
And since I am practicing spirituality, I am finding it little tough to follow this routine
Yeah,
because we have to deal with so many people. Then we have to
yeah.
get energy exchange.
And if you are a spiritual being, then you are understanding the energy patterns, which is changing every day. So you are not just like doing work like robot and
That's why it's very necessary to do healing, energy healing, and energy work for ourselves, doing meditation at least.
yeah, this is real success. But n- many, मतलब maximum part of the world are not connecting with this because they are not practicing it, and they are not interested also, because the first thing from the childhood, everyone's mind is fitted that you have to make money first. You have to become something, some successful, to earn your bread, to earn something which is so big. And if you are in a big, if you are really in established, then you have to increase it means no limit. You have to be first on the race of everything.
We are getting this question nowadays that what you are bringing to the table. It means what is this? What you are bringing to the table? Only a person who is earning is important for the family. A person who is sitting behind making food and doing all the energy work,
Yeah,
energy healing, it
our
doesn't matter.
mothers, yes.
Like our mothers, housewives,
Or
their
any person who is not
energy,
earning money but supporting their family in a very huge way, but not getting the respect because they are not earning money.
So, what is your opinion in this?
I think that the person who is not earning is also very important. What's your views about that? What they are doing?
They are creating a whole energy system for the whole family. Single female is creating whole energy system for father-in-law, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, their children, their husband, her husband, and that one feminine energy is responsible for all the energy of the house. And in
Yeah.
this deed, she forget herself.
Mm.
So we can see that these days the feminism, the feminine energy is very much distorted because they didn't
Yeah.
recognized
Mm.
by the male members, because they think that their earning is more important, but they don't see that they are capable of earning because they are getting food and they are getting energy.
That's why they went outside to
We
work.
know as energy worker that a person who makes food, how the energy works in food.
Yeah.
It depends on the person who is making food, her intention.
Yeah. That's why in earlier days, many old persons are not interested in eating food outside, and the person who don't know not getting
Yeah,
food from.
very spiritual persons are very energy sensitive that
Yeah, that's why they are not eating food, and where the energy is distorted, and if they sense that the energy is not good, so they are not going to eat that because they
I
are energy sensitive beings.
yeah, I remember that one of our female meditator told that Patriji got energy disbalance because of the food he ate. From that fridge, in that fridge, egg was there.
Okay, yeah.
So if you are not eating that, but you are at that energy level also,
Okay.
then you can get affected by the smell and touch and feel of that
Yeah.
non-veg.
Hmm. And that was sensed by only the spiritual being who are energy sensitive. But in common days and in common people, they are even not understanding that what's the energy change and why their mood changes and
And
irritation.
they show it like chua chut. Oh my god, why are they doing so
Yeah.
much chua chut? But this is not chua chut.
Yeah, they
Its
are
actual
energy
meaning is
sensitive.
energy.
Yeah.
They want to protect their energy.
So the real meaning of success is to know yourself, because we if we came here, so we have to know ourselves in full potential. And if anybody is getting that full potential, we are recognizing them. But why we are not interested in getting our full potential? So the real meaning of success is to know yourself in your full potential. I think this is the real.
So, do you believe that we have to make bank balance or not?
Yeah, bank balance is very important, because if you don't have bank balance, then how are you going to fulfill your daily needs? It is very important, but you have to. First focus is this: you have to improve yourself also in every level of your life.
In practicing spirituality day to day life,
Yeah,
we also need money.
yeah,
If
and
if you want to do bhagavad in your home, you also need money. If you
yeah,
want to
yeah,
do havan and any
yeah,
spiritual things, you have to need money. You
money,
can't
yes.
do money, you can't do anything without money.
Yeah, because I think that why we are separating the world of spiritual sadhus and everything. Why we are not thinking that everything is one? Why are you thinking that this is for this energy, matlab money? gaining money is important for only businessmen and normal people, and not
Exactly.
for the spiritual ones and the
Like
sadhu and sadhu.
Sadhguru.
Yeah.
Like Sadhguru.
Why are
Why
you?
not?
Yes.
Why spiritual people can't use high-tech products
Yeah.
like
If
watch,
you are,
car, helicopter,
yeah,
whatever? We are
if you
living
are
in this future.
spiritual, that doesn't mean that you don't have any right to earn money, and you don't have any right to enjoy the
Life.
life. Because if you are a spiritual being and a dhyani, then you are going to enjoy your life to the fullest. The person who is just commonly doing thing and earning money, if he wants to enjoy, then also he is not going to enjoy its full potential, because they are not reached in that energy level. So the real meaning is success, I think that.
एक योगी ही इस संसार की सारी चीज़ों को भोग सकता है,
Yeah.
क्योंकि उसका शरीर उस तरह का फिजिकल, मेंटल, इमोशनल, फाइनेंशियल उसका लेवल वैसा होना चाहिए,
Yeah.
बैलेंस्ड. सिर्फ आईक्यू होने से कुछ नहीं होता.
Yeah.
वी
And
ऑल्सो नीड इमोशनल क्योशेंट.
yeah.
Our emotion, energy and mental power when works in same direction, then we get what we want.
Yeah. Yeah, and in today's world, everything is distorted. Every physical, mental, physically we are here, mentally we are somewhere else, and emotionally we are distorted. And there are so many things. So we have to put everything aligned so that we can create ourselves in the better future and in a better way. And
So what do you want to sum up? What is success?
mm, I have heard, I have read one Gita's shlok that Yog Sthir Kuru Karmani. That means if you are united by yourself, means you are fully potential, you are fully Yog means union in yourself, then you are ready for the
Outer world.
yeah, outer world, ready for
If
the
you
outer
want to
world.
do anything in
In
outer world, you
you
have
have
to be in connection, in
united.
union with your inner self
Yeah.
first.
Yeah, and this is the highest priority. But everyone is doing the opposite of that in this
So
world.
success means what I uh, what I understand is doing what you want and earning money from that
Yeah.
doing which you enjoy.
Yeah.
Not by oh my god, आज फिर मंडे, आज ऑफिस जाना है.
Yeah, you are not enjoying
It's like
anything.
oh my god, it's like so exhausting.
Yeah.
It's less inspiring and more exhausting. We don't need this kind of job profile. We need more relaxing jobs which can give us to flourish our own potential.
So
Okay.
be ready for the real success of your life, and always ready to explore yourself in new things and understand yourself in every situation. So all the best for your future. Bye bye.